In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from image in Canva. If you have an image inside Canva and you want to cleanly remove printed words, labels, or other text from that image, Canva's Magic Eraser tool can make the process much easier. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the feature and how to use it so the text disappears as naturally as possible. Start by opening your Canva design that contains the image with the text you want to remove. Make sure you're on the correct page and that the image is clearly visible, since this will help you work more accurately. Next, click on the image itself to select it. Once the image is selected, go up to the top toolbar and click Edit. This opens the image editing options, where Canva keeps its adjustment and removal tools. After that, move to the left side panel. In the Tools section, find and click Magic Eraser. This is the feature that helps remove unwanted parts of an image while blending the area with the surrounding background. When the Magic Eraser options appear, look at the choices near the top and select Text. This tells Canva that you specifically wanted to detect written content in the image, rather than manually brushing over the area yourself. As soon as you choose text, you'll notice a scanning effect on the image. This means Canva is analyzing the picture and trying to identify the text automatically. Give it a moment to finish. Once the scan is complete, the detected text should appear outlined or enclosed in a box so you can confirm what Canva found. Now select the text you want removed, then return to the left panel and click Erase. Canva will begin processing the image again. You should see another scanning effect along with a progress bar in the left panel. This is normal, so just wait until the removal is complete. When it finishes, the text should be gone from the image. If you still notice any small remnants or imperfect areas, simply repeat the same process until the result looks clean. Depending on the complexity of the background behind the text, you may need more than one pass to get the smoothest outcome. That's all there is to it. Once you get comfortable with this tool, removing text from images in Canva becomes quick and straightforward.